So when this pandemic, the coronavirus, COVID-19, really hit Kentucky, it was at first I gotta be honest, I was like, is this real? Once it actually hit Louisville, we knew it was something that was real, and so our feelings were kind of panicked, but at the same time, I knew there was something that we could do as a company to help fight this, or even help anybody in any way possible. I knew there was a method that we could go at.
Quite frankly, very quickly, our technical services team kind of leaped into action, and those guys immediately started showing options of things we could do. So to say, did I have immediately an idea of what we could do? No, but very quickly, people a lot smarter than me thought of it and put us in a position to be able to do things like that. And as far as the entire process has been, it's surreal. The fact that, it's lonely in this building. You miss the people that you go to work with every day, and you're concerned about what, people that aren't here, what's going on in their lives. A lot of the stuff that I'm doing is trying to coordinate with local hospitals and people that I know in the community that can evaluate whether Whitmix's products and what we're offering, can get put into the local community. So I've been trying a lot of just trying to reach out and connect with people that I know to figure out how we can help. One of the things was the band from that we could 3D print with our material. Luckily, one of our guys back in R&D had a buddy that he used to work with that donated the face shield material, and then it all kind of came together. Zach is the guy that had the contact with the face shield material, this plastic material here, and he did that on his own merit, just reaching out and figuring out how he could help the process. And then this face shield kind of had come together from all the things that people had done, and was put on my desk, and I took a picture of it and reached back out to that same person and said, hey, could you use these? She texted back immediately and said, yeah, we'll take 1,000 of them. Typical Whitmix. We all jumped in and said, okay, how are we going to make 1,000? Immediately, without hesitating, the senior management of our team, our owner and our president said, we're going to donate it. Absolutely. We want to do it, we want to be a part of it, and we'll donate it.
So I was assigned the category of producing face shields and overseeing that. So one problem that we had here was actually getting that plastic and the elastic band apart. I happened to think at one point that I worked at a place called Vacuum Depositing Inc. So I gave them a call, or I called a buddy there rather, and he donated a roll of plastic that we needed to be able to do this project.
I think if it ever got to the point where we didn't have any business coming in, we would still be helping the community. We'd still be giving back. Just today we delivered 540 face masks, shields for free. I don't know what it cost us to fabricate it, with the amount of man hours we put into altering the design, to creating the actual shield, to actually piecing it together. It was a company-wide project, and we were able to do that in a week. And it's impressive on how Whitmix is willing to tackle that and to give to the community so freely.
I think it tells you where this family, the Steinbach family's heart is. It just tells you the morals and the guiding principles that Whitmix has. No better scenario than a time like this to realize how fortunate we are to work for a company that cares about the community, even in a time of crisis for them.
My mom is a nurse, an emergency room nurse, and then my sister, she's a physician assistant. And so it kind of hits home for me, because if they don't have the PPE to protect themselves, they could potentially be at risk.
I can't express the gratitude that we have for everybody that's out there, not only working the hours that they're working, but every day putting themselves in harm's way for us. time of crisis, you find out what people's true character is, and this company's character is pretty strong.